Are you starting a business or looking to expand your business with new product offerings? In order to get your design onto a pocket hoodie, we'll show you what you need and how to do it with Epson direct-to-garment print technology. In order to print onto a pocket hoodie, here's what you need: some pre-treatment liquid, a heat tunnel, an automated pre-treat machine, a heat press, some parchment paper, a DTG printer, and a blank pocket hoodie. So the first thing you want to do is press your hoodie. We'll load it onto our heat press. And we'll press it for about 15 to 20 seconds to remove moisture and wrinkles. Once the pressing is done, remove your hoodie and let's take it over and load it onto the automated pre-treat machine. Be sure to tuck in the hoodie, the sleeves, and any other excess material under the platen. Once you've done that, simply slide the drawer in and press the button to spray the shirt. Once the hoodie has been sprayed, you're ready to remove it. Take it back over to your heat press. We'll sleeve it onto our platen again. And now we'll leave it to hover under the heat for about 3 or 4 minutes. In high volume production shops, you can also use a conveyor heat tunnel to speed up this process and get more garments done in a shorter amount of time. Once the hover step is complete, we are now going to apply parchment paper on top of our hoodie. If you're coming from your heat tunnel, simply load your garment back onto the heat press, apply parchment paper, and now we'll press the hoodie for about 1 minute. We are pressing it at 285 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the press is complete, remove your parchment paper, and now your hoodie is ready for printing. Now let's open our design in Garment Creator. Mac and PC users will have the same visual experience, so the print settings will be the same. Simply choose the color garment that we're printing on, choose your print quality, and click Print to send the design over to the printer. Now we're ready to load our pocket hoodie onto the platen. Adjust your hoodie position where you would like everything to print. Next, we'll apply our platen hoop on top of that to make sure that everything lays flat and as evenly as possible. Then, tuck in the sleeves and the hoodie on the front, and we're ready to send our print file over. Once the button lights up in blue, you can press the print button to begin the job. When the print is done, we'll carefully remove our platen hoop and remove our pocket hoodie to take it over to our heat press. We'll sleeve it onto our heat press. Apply a piece of parchment paper on top of that, and we're ready to press the hoodie. Since this is a 100% polyester hoodie, we're pressing for 285 degrees Fahrenheit for about a minute. For high volume production shop users, if you have a conveyor heat tunnel, you can also complete this step using the tunnel to get a lot more hoodies out in a much shorter amount of time. When the press is complete, simply remove the parchment paper. And your pocket hoodie is now done.